Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel where we break down international transfers to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to send money from Chile to Saudi Arabia. Whether you're supporting family abroad, handling business payments, or just sending a gift, this guide will get you sorted quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to understand the basics. Exchange rates can fluctuate, so start by checking the current Chilean peso, CLP, to Saudi Rial, SAR, rate on reliable sites like Z.com or your bank's app. This helps you avoid surprises and get the best deal. Next, choose your transfer method. Options include traditional bank wires, which are secure but can be slow and pricey, or modern services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, Western Union, or Revolut. These online platforms often offer faster transfers with lower fees, perfect for international sends. Now, for the step-by-step process. Gather your documents first. You'll need a valid ID, like your Chilean ID or passport, plus the recipient's full name, bank account details in Saudi Arabia, and possibly a SWIFT code. Head to your chosen service's website or app, create an account if needed, and select Send Money. Enter the amount in CLP, review the exchange rate and fees, then confirm the recipient's info. Once submitted, keep an eye on the transaction status. Most services let you track it online, and it could take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days, depending on the method. Remember, fees vary. Banks might charge 1 to 3% plus a flat fee, while apps like Wise could be cheaper at under 1%. A few quick tips. Always use secure connections to protect your data, compare providers for the lowest costs, and inform the recipient to expect the funds. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider consulting a financial advisor. There you have it. Sending money from Chile to Saudi Arabia doesn't have to be a headache. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more global finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.